Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Today we're going to be checking out my first impressions and unboxing of the OnePlus 9 5G that I have here in Malaysia. So obviously I know that this device has been released to all the other countries in the world, but we just got this here in Malaysia, so I'm very excited about this. Before I begin though, I do want to apologize for all the mess that you can see at the back there. There's a lot of stuff at the top, so please ignore that for now and let's focus on the OnePlus 9 5G right here. Alright, so pricing wise, I do not have the pricing yet. Apparently it will launch like next week or next 2 weeks or something like that. But I will always be releasing the full honest review on the OnePlus 9, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so let's focus on the OnePlus 9 here and unbox this guy right here. So this is the unboxing of the OnePlus 9. And at first glance, this is everything that you can see in the box. So we're going to start off with this charger right here. I'm going to try and reach out for that. This is a 45-watt charger that came in the box, so we can expect some pretty fast charging speeds. Put it down right here. It's also nice to see that OnePlus has also continued to give us this really nice red Type-C cable here. So still loving the red color on the Type-C cable. Very nice stuff here. And of course, you do get the casing, a transparent case in a box. It does come with this little writing at the bottom here, never settle, so never settle. Pretty nice case here, very standard stuff, but it does feel a bit thicker than the usual ones that you see in other smartphones today. So put that down there, and last but not least, we have our OnePlus 9 here in this really interesting looking plastic piece right here. So obviously you do have your wireless charging according to OnePlus, and you have your NFC right there. So let's check out the device right away. And ta-da! Here's the device, guys. This is the OnePlus 9. So yeah, obviously I have already set up my device here, so you don't have to wait for me for doing that. I'm going to save you time here, guys, and let's just check out the phone itself. So upon first impressions and holding this device for the first time, one thing I did notice was that it's a bit lightweight compared to all the heavy phones like the Galaxy S21 Ultra right here. This is so heavy. So I'm pretty happy to say that this is quite lightweight here. My color here is the black version, and you can see that the logo hardly shows, and it's quite a pity right here because the Hasselblad logo, which you will want to show off, is hardly even visible on the back here, guys. So this is, I did hope that the logo was a bit more visible, but this is what you get here on the OnePlus 9. Of course, if you like a total blackout look, this is what you can get. It is a glossy back here, not the matte one, which I wish it was in, but overall, I think it's still fine for me, not a big deal. Alright, so let's look at the sides here. We do have our slider, like how we see on all OnePlus devices. Good to see that that is still here. You have your lock power button here as well as your volume rockers on the other side. So flipping the device to the bottom here, you do see you have a Type-C cable, and what's missing here is that there is no headphone jack, top and bottom. So yeah, this is exactly how the OnePlus 9 looks like, guys. Let's check out the device itself. So at the front here, we do have a very nice AMOLED display. It's 1080p, not 1440p like the one on the Pro, but it's still a pretty good display right here. And the best thing is that it still comes with that 120Hz refresh rate. Obviously, I just start up this device, so I don't have a lot of apps here to show you how smooth that is, but I will share with you guys that in the full review. Moving on, let's talk a little bit about the cameras, because that's what this phone is all about. So we do have 3 sensors at the back there, and if you're a sharp person, you will notice that one sensor is missing from the OnePlus 9 Pro. But the good news here is that the 3 other sensors remain the same. So we do have the same 48 megapixel main, the same 50 megapixel ultra wide, and the same 2 megapixel monochrome sensor. So what's missing here is really the telephoto lens that was on the OnePlus 9 Pro that is not here today. One thing I do like here is the orange button. So I've seen this on other YouTubers' channels, but yeah, it is quite satisfying. And that click though, yeah, it sounds good, guys. Apart from that, we do have a 4500 milliamp hour battery in the back here. I'll test out the battery life and the charging speeds. And last but not least, yes, this device here is powered by the Snapdragon 888 coupled with 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of internal memory. So yep, definitely flagship stuff right here on the OnePlus 9. This is just a final look at the OnePlus 9 before I see you guys again in the full review. But yes, please let me know what you want to know down in the comment section below. Again, this is our first look at the OnePlus 9 here in Malaysia, officially at least. And yes, super excited to share with you guys the full review. Alright, if you like this video, do give me a like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, everybody. Bye!